Now those of you who saw us over the last year or two are going to be familiar with this. It's quiet, so listen closely.
Wow, it is quiet.
Two capacities available, 550, 1100, and actually there's an 1100 pound model available with a long cable for subsurface work. I'm thinking sewer companies, people lowering machines for pumps. We also have a lot of sewer inspection camera companies that are loving this. And really a flexible unit. It can be mounted in both a van or a box. So box on body type application. Mounts in the ceiling there. And it does not conflict with shelving. This will work with any shelving on the market, and the support legs that transfer the load move around. Absolutely. 4 points of mounting, very stable, and then the boom actually has the ability to move side to side. So if your backing up skills aren't what you think they are, you can easily move this, and with the 4-foot extension, pick up your load anywhere behind the van.
It'll forgive you a little bit.
Absolutely.
Oh, that's good.
Absolutely.
That is good. That is so good. That is so quiet. That's good.
You know, a lot of times people will get maybe a 250 thinking it's going to be enough, and then after the purchase decision they find out, you know, I have a lot of squatting issues, or maybe they're carrying a trailer and they're looking for maintaining a consistent hitch height.
Right.
These springs are easy to add, don't violate the warranty, which is possibly the most important thing.
Sure.
Typically, you know, with an add-a-leaf system, there's a lot of labor involved. These install in an hour, and they're helper springs. And I want to be clear, they don't increase the capacity.
Right.
These are going to help maintain the original ride height. So when you're going over railroad tracks, if you hit a large pothole, sometimes expansion joints and bridges, these are ideal for that. The technology behind it is, for example, the driver leaves with a fully loaded vehicle. This spring is kicked in because the leaf springs are compressed. But after he drops off his load, the leaf springs rise and this spring is no longer active. So it is not a permanent change to the suspension, meaning if he's going down the road with no load, it's not a rough ride, exactly. It doesn't ruin the original intent of the vehicle.
Yeah.
So
that is good.
These are easily installed, and it doesn't even have to go to a spring shop. A typical mechanic can install this very easily on a lift. It doesn't require special tools of any kind.